Hello guys, today I'll show you how to fix your Instagram when you post on Instagram. This actually happens to lots of people. Like when you post on Instagram something, like if you post a photo or something, and you write something, okay, like cool, and then what you write in the post, it doesn't show up. So now I'll show you how to fix it. Subscribe to me, like the video, comment what you want to make next, and now I'll show you my screen. Okay guys, so here we are on an account. So now I'll show you how to fix the problem. So like for example, like see say I post something, okay, and for example, like if the like what I put the down and the like a caption, so if it doesn't come, I'll show you how to fix it. See, it happens to lots of people, and also happened to me. I'll show you how to fix it. First of all, like just take a picture of one of the posts which the caption didn't come on. By the way, see, mine is here. I'm just showing for example, like take a picture of the one of the post for proof. Take a screenshot and then go to settings, and then press on help, press on report the problem, and then press on something isn't working. Then press on upload first. Upload, and then here's the picture. Done. And now I'll write, like, see, I'll show you what I will write. You can write something else. And so this is what I am writing. You can write like something like around this or something else what you want. And then so that was right, and now I'll just put this, and I'll write tag, and then you can just like press and send. Just write your like something like this, and then press send, and then wait to about 3 to 4 days, and then it will be fixed. It happened to me, and I waited to 3 to 4 days, and it got fixed. So also wait to 3 to 4 days. If it doesn't work in 3 to 4 days, wait a week. In a week it has to 100% work. Under a week, 3 to 4 days, for sure it will work. So I showed you how to do it. So subscribe to me, like the video, comment what you want to make next, share with all your friends, and now bye.